Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website. First, you'll need to choose a unique domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Then, select a web hosting provider. Many offer specialized WordPress hosting plans starting from just a few dollars per month. Most hosts provide a simple one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly straightforward and quick, often taking less than 5 minutes. Once WordPress is installed, it's time to customize its appearance. You'll choose a theme which dictates your site's visual design. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, offering diverse styles. Next, install essential plugins to add functionality, like security enhancements, search engine optimization tools, and performance boosters. You can then personalize your chosen theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout options to perfectly match your brand. With your site's foundation set, you'll begin adding content. WordPress distinguishes between pages for static information, such as an About Us or Services page, and posts for dynamic, time-sensitive content like blog articles. Use the intuitive block editor to craft your content, incorporating images, videos, and headings to make it engaging and easy to read. Aim for clear, concise writing that provides value to your visitors. Before launching, thoroughly review every page and post, checking for typos and broken links. Test all forms and interactive elements to ensure they function correctly. Once live, ongoing maintenance is crucial. Regularly update WordPress, themes, and plugins to maintain security and performance. Implement a reliable backup solution, perhaps weekly, and begin promoting your new website across social media and other channels to attract visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.